why can't people, when they take the oath, why can't they put their hand on the Quran just like they put their hand on the Bible? That's a question I have for everybody. Why can't they do that? Because they always put their hand on the Bible to take the oath. Why can't they put their hand on the Quran to take the oath? Because the Quran is a holy book too. It's equal to the Bible. It's on the same level as the Bible. So why can't they put their hand on the Quran to take the oath? And I understand why, because this is America is a Christian country. Majority of this country is Christian. A lot of people, majority of the people believe in Christianity. So I believe, I understand why they don't put their hand on the Quran to take the Bible, because this country has been, for hundreds of years or thousands of years or however long this country's been around, this country's, people who lived in this country forever have always believed in Christianity. So I understand why, but it kind of makes me think, why can't they put their hand on the Quran too? Why can't they put their hand on it and take the oath just like they put their hands on the Bible? Because Christians, they think and they believe with their whole heart that the Bible is the 100% word of God, which it isn't. The Bible has been messed with, it's been tampered with, it's been rearranged, and books and chapters have been taken out, and the stories have been diluted, and it's just been messed with. So it's not the 100% word of God like they claim it is, like it was at the beginning of the time. So since it's not the 100% word of God, why do they always believe that it's the 100% truth, and they should always put their hand on it to take the oath? Why can they put their hands on the Quran? Because in my opinion, the Quran is 100% the truth more than the Bible is. So why can't they put their hand on the Quran and take the oath? This country is obsessed with Christianity. From all different aspects. You can look at TV and stuff. You notice they always have TV preachers and TV, Bible sales on during commercials. They have people selling crosses, and like I said, people selling crosses, selling Bibles, selling prayer cloths, and got TV preachers and all this Christian stuff. Got TBN and the Word Network and all this Christian stuff. Joel Osteen coming on at 10 o'clock in the morning on Sunday. T.D. Jakes coming on at 8 o'clock. Stuff like that. But that they don't have no imams on TV, selling Qurans and salat, carpets for Muslims to pray on. You don't see them promoting Prophet Muhammad's sayings on TV, or you don't see them having Muslim holidays as holidays where we can stay home and watch TV and just chill out. That they don't have that. They don't have Jewish things on TV. They don't have rabbis on TV saying, "Buy my Torah, buy my, buy this and that, buy Moses's sayings, buy his, just buy all this Jewish stuff." You don't see them on TV, telling you to pray and telling you to have the Shabbat dinner and telling you to, do this and do that and fast from sun up to sundown. You don't hear things from other religions on TV as much as you hear Christian things. But back to what I was saying, that's something else I wanted to add to the video. But I'm just saying that, why can't they put their hand on the Quran just like they put their hands on the Bible when they take the oath? Because the Bible is okay. It's not it's not as good as they say it is. It's not on the same, it's not 100% the word of God like they say it is. And the Quran, is equal to the Bible. So why can't they put their hand on it and take the oath with the Quran? It's a holy book just like the Bible is. But that's all I gotta say. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video makes y'all think. I hope it just changes y'all thoughts. And that's all I gotta say. One love.